Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn Bootstrap 5 Scrollspy. Scrollspy is used to automatically update links in a navigation list based on scroll position. Okay, so it's too much easy to use the Scrollspy. So after using the Scrollspy, you can create the dynamic web pages. So how to create a Scrollspy? So you have to create the Scrollspy using the given method. So first of all, you have to create a HTML and you have to link the bootstrap CDN in the head section, and you have to add the script in the bottom of the body section. Then after that you have to create you have to give a here data minus bs minus spy scroll to scroll. Then you have to type data minus bs minus target. Then you have to type navbar. Then after that, I'm just giving them the navbar, and you have to type data minus bs minus offset. It's equal to 50. So if I click in the run, so it's giving me the result. Okay, so it's not working properly because I have write a code for the scroll level area in this section. So now I'm going to create elements to jump to a section in the scroll level area. First of all, I'm creating a nav. Okay, so inside the nav I'm just giving a class here. The class is okay, so now I'm giving a class. The class is navbar, again navbar minus expand minus sm and bg minus dark and navbar minus dark fixed minus top. Okay, so now I have to create a ul on order list. So for the ul I'm giving a class here. Okay, class, that class is navbar minus nav. Okay, so now after that I'm creating few lists here. Okay, list. So inside the list I am giving a anchor text. Okay, so inside the anchor text I am just giving hatch section 1 in the ref. Okay, and I am just giving here section 1. Okay, then after that I am going to create a div here. Okay, so inside the div I'm giving a id here, and id is section 1. Okay, then after that I'm creating a h1 here. Now we are learning Scrollspy. Okay, then inside here I'm giving a paragraph also. We are learning Bootstrap 5 Scrollspy. So okay, so it will help us to scroll this page and look at the navigation bar while scrolling. Okay, so I write this, and after that I click in the run. Now you can see here is a section 1 created. Okay, so now I can easily use the Scrollspy. Okay, so if I click here, so now you can see here I can Scrollspy. Okay, for example, if I create another list here. Okay, so I am just giving here another section 2. Okay, and I'm creating another div here. The div id is section 2, and if I click in the run, now you can see there are two. This is section 1, this is section 2, right? Okay, so I am just giving this one is the section 2. Okay, so let me check what will happen. Oh, okay, so if I click in the section 2, so now we can say it is working perfectly, right? Okay, so now I'm just copying this one, I'm pasting this one. Okay, so if I click in the run, now you can see it is look like this. So now I'm going to create another list also. So I'm just going to create another list that is for the section 3. Okay, so after that I'm going to create another section again. Okay, now this is for the section 3. Okay, so I'm going to create another thing. Okay, so now you can see here I created the section 3, and if I click in the run, so now you can see I have 3 sections, right? And if I click in the section 1 and section 2, so now you can see it is moving on the section sorry, just wait for a moment. Okay, now you can see here, so now the Scrollspy is working perfectly. So if I click in the section 2, so now you can see it is moving here, right? So if I created another list again, I'm going to create another list also. So here is the section 3. Okay, and I'm creating another list again, that is for the section 4. So I'm going to create a section 4 here. Then after that I'm going to copy this one here from here to here, and now I'm going to create another section here, that is for the section 4. Okay, so let me check what will happen. This is for the section 5. Okay, so if I click in the run, and now you can see there is section 4 also available. If I click this section 4, now you can see it is moving on the section 4, right? If I click in the section 3, it is jumping in the section 3. It is, so now you can see in this way you can easily use the Scrollspy. So it is one of the useful things. If you are create a navigation menu, in that case you can use the Scrollspy. Thank you so much.